Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Neelam. Today we be learning about Python programming. Those who are interested to learn about programming, then this live for only for you. So now I just discuss about some Python programming concept. So now first of all we are know about what is Python programming. So it is generally a high level interpreted interactive object oriented scripting languages which is designed to highly readable, and it is very easy to useful and develop one software which is uses only the English keywords which you are used frequently, whereas the other languages, so other languages will be used only the uses of punctuations, and it has fewer syntactically constructions than other languages. But in Python we are just use simply the basic languages. You can call that one, that is English. And right now the Python is tell about some interpreter or about some scripting. So Python is also a interpreter. Through the interpreter you can generally process at the runtime data which is executed, not need to be compile your program before executing it direct. If you are using the interactive mode, then the software will be easily accessible, directly accessible your data and get the output. Python is also a interactive which is promote to interact with the interpreter directly to write your programs. It also concept of object oriented, and it supports also object oriented style or technique of your programming that encapsulates code within objects. Right now we will discuss about some what is your interactive mode. Guys, you know that one. We are using simple interactive mode, that Python commands are directly typed at the command prompt and we press the enter key, then the interpreter display the result immediately. So this is one example, that is your Python shell which is denoted only the interactive mode. Now next we have to know what is scripting mode. The drawback of interactive mode is that we cannot save the commands that we have typed at the time of your execution. But the benefits of your scripting mode is that this can be overcome using the scripting mode, which is used to save your data, your coding, that permanently for in the future reference. So you just go to your Python software and click the file menu, then go to the new tab for the shell window, write the code in there and save after the run options. In the shortcut key also you are using that from the keyboard, that is Ctrl plus F5. So this is the examples of your total scripting mode, how the scripting mode is executed whole the Python code to be very easily. And remember guys, it will only access the normal languages, that is your English languages. Next, that is what is the structure of Python code. We do not know how we will write a code inside your software of your Python. So it generally contains the several elements such as your statement, expression, functions, comments, block, everything which is denoted inside your only the Python software, which is executed frequently your data, that belongs to total your energetic programming, which is very clearly and easily you can develop one simple and complicated software. This language is very high level language interpreter language which is directly connected your web development, and it will be accessible by the server and both the clients. So expressions represented like number, string or any value statement does something, maybe variable and the functions. So we can initialize some numbers type, some string type, some any values type, statement does something, maybe variables and the functions. Next, if you have go to check out the structure of your Python code, one comment lines is must be added to describe the description of your positional lines. That comments are like additional informations provided against a statement. Which statement you have written. So the comments line is describe the valuable expectations of your statement. Functions is a set of instructions which is perform a task or block, refers a group of statement which is a part of another statement. So this is the general concept of your Python programming language, which is very interactive, very easily you can accessible, very high level interpreter language. And remember guys, it will not accessible any complicated, it is very simply accessible only the English languages. So now I just take out through how we will go to do one program. So now I just saw you that simply how we will go to write. Look my dear, or look my dears, that simply this is your Python software that is simply is known as this screen which is visible for you. It is only for your interactive mode, that is directly we can write code inside that and it will be executed the output directly, which is not accessible for the future reference because we are not save the code as a permanently, but still we are doing simply write the value, that is print. Inside that we will write hello Python. So look, this will be directly executed and the output should be mentioned, that is hello Python, but it will be not accessible for the future reference. So this is your call, that is the interactive screen or interactive mode. But when I just go to the scripting mode, I just go there file and go to the new file, and the shortcut key also you can use, that is Ctrl+N. So I just write here, one another window will be came and another command prompt will be, so you can write your code inside this command prompt. So simply it will be accessible the English language. So I just write here simply the data which is generated, some additions. So simply I just created that's one single program which is only used by some value which is additions. So I just write the code in simply using the English language, and remember XYZ is your here, that is 3 variables we can use. I am already said that one in my before, that simply we are using the variables as a structure of a code. So we can just go to checkout, go for the run. When I go for the run, one run modules is showing in my tab. You can tab it. First of all, if you have not saved your file, it asks to source must be saved or it will be saved already. So I am not save my file. So I just first of all I saved my file. Then the desktop will be came, the location of your file where you can store your data, where you can store your code. Then it will be go to there. You just write down the file name. Suppose my file name is your first, and remember that guys, if you accessible the Python file, so the extension name should be mentioned properly, otherwise the system will not be conducted, the software will not be understood the file is belongs to which files. Maybe it will be accessible as the another programming language. That means the system or the software will not accessible the file if you are not using your extension code of at a particular files. So in Python files the extension code should be file name dot that py. Py is stand for the extension code of your extension code for the your Python files. So and next is your save type is your Python files. You just save your file. When you save your file, another window will be came, that is your interactive window. The value will be printed, the output will be printed. In this type of data you can use all the code to be executed as a properly manner through the Python code. So now guys, today is that much. Next my video will become to know about more concept about your Python programming language. So guys, if you have like my channel and subscribe, if you think that one my well I just explain you my knowledge as a very good way, then please kindly just click as a subscribe button and like my video in my channel. Thank you guys, and now we will meet very soon. Thank you.